This keyboard isn't just for typing. It's your DJ. It's your barista. Your assistant for getting done in more places. It's your car keys and your chauffeur.
Starting route.
It puts you in control of your phone to help you get in the zone. This keyboard helps you express yourself, doubles your usable screen.
What song is this?
And can name the tune on the tip of your tongue. This keyboard isn't just for typing. It lets you take action at the push of a button.